u.com.
Okay, welcome. So in this video we are going to see how to improve the video quality in YouTube. Okay, so how to improve video quality in YouTube, in computer and in mobile. Okay, right. So see, this is a one video. Now it's playing. Okay, so the video quality is very poor. See, we cannot see anything. Okay, so we cannot read anything, so the video quality is very poor. So in order to improve the video quality, we have to go to the settings given in a YouTube in bottom of the video. Okay, so say click on this setting, then change your quality what you want. Okay, if you change to 240, so the video quality is somewhat improved. Okay, then if you want to improve again, you can select anyone 360. Okay, now the video quality is somewhat improved. Again, if you want to select for 480, so video quality is again improved. Okay, right. So this way we can improve the video quality in YouTube. Okay, so this procedure in computer. Okay, similar way we can see how to improve the video quality in mobile phone. Okay, let us see. Okay, welcome back to how to improve video quality in mobile phone. Okay, so see, I'm going to play one video. So here the video quality is very low, we cannot see anything. See, so the video quality is very poor, we cannot see anything here. So in order to improve the video quality, so you have to select the different quality level. Okay, so to go to the setting, you just click on touch on screen and select three dots in top right corner. Okay, so three dots in top right corner and go to quality, then select the quality level. Okay, now the quality is somewhat improved. Similar way you have to select next level 360, so the quality is again improved. Similar way you can select the top quality, that is 480. Now it is gives maximum quality. Okay, so this way we can improve the quality in YouTube videos in mobile phone. Okay, I think this video is useful to you. Okay, thank you so much.